I think that Tesla probably it is the best place to invest if you want to have a shot at a massive new industry. So they've got a baseline business in obviously the automobiles, but I think this humanoid robot opportunity is absolutely mind-blowingly ginormous. And I don't think that there's a better company on earth positioned to execute against this humanoid robotics opportunity than Tesla. So, it's sort of like I would call it a low probability, high upside sort of call option embedded within that business. And obviously, you're paying a premium for that because it is still a very healthy premium you pay for that business. I would argue that there's actually a low probability but very high severity risk to NVIDIA in China. There was just a demonstration last month of a 1 nanometer semiconductor manufacturing process out of China. I think the more that we continue to try and isolate China from a policy perspective, the more we are emboldening investment in China, meaning from the government, from private industry into China to create alternatives to the chip stack, where the United States companies, particularly NVIDIA, have a moat today. So I do think that there's going to be an emergent competitive threat coming out of China to NVIDIA. And just like we were knocked over by DeepSeek, I think we will be knocked over by some semiconductor manufacturing processes coming out of China in the near term.
So just to be clear, NVIDIA won Google too, or NVIDIA Tesla?
Like I said, I think in terms of like having the right Sharpe ratio is how I would think about it. The alpha and the beta adjusted returns, I would put Google number one. I would probably put Tesla. Tesla's valuation, I think, already has a premium associated with those options.
Sure, it does,
so I don't know. Yeah, so I don't know if I would really pay that premium. I think.
Well, aside from the valuations, let's take valuations out of it. Just the game here is who wins the AI prize 5 years
That's how I understood it as well. Yeah. So
Right,
valuation irrelevant.
Valuation irrelevant. Who wins the AI prize? One, you're saying Google. Two, you're saying Tesla.
I think Google's in such a position. I mean, look, Demis, I think, has been fairly coy about where they are. They obviously promote Gemini 2.5, but there's a lot still coming. And as Chamath pointed out, it's not just LLMs. There's a pretty sizable family of models, including a lot of these graph-based models that are being used in really novel applications that no one else is even close to. No one's spending time on. I mean, some of the weather forecasting, it might seem small and trivial, but it's a demonstration of Google's competency in core model development that shows an understanding and a depth of research and work that goes well beyond LLMs. So I'm pretty bullish on the depth of talent, the full stack,